Exercise 2.2, Standard 11, Relations and Functions. Question number 1. Let A be a set 1 to 14. Define a relation R from A to A. Actually, relation means what? A subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to A. So here R is a relation from A to A, means R is definitely a subset of A cross A. Definition of relation is what? A subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. Okay, so here R is a relation from A to A, means R is a subset of A cross A. Now, one of the relation they have defined. What is the relation? Actually, how many relations are possible here? How many? 14 elements are there. So elements in A cross A will be 14 into 14. And number of its subsets will be 2 raised to 14 into 14. So many relations are possible from A to A, but one of them they have defined and we have to work on it, means we have to find out its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so R is equal to order pair xy, where 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy belongs to A. Okay, we want to find domain, codomain and range. Now, y 3x minus y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 3x. Now, one by one you put the values of x which is in A. So when you put x equals to 1, when you put x equals to 1, 3 1s are 3. When you put x equals to 2, 3 2s are 6. When x you put 3, 3 3s are 9. When x you put 4, 3 4s are 12. When x you put 5, 3 5s are 15. But 15 is there in A. 15 is not there in A. Second element should also belongs to where A. Second element should also belongs to A. But 15 is not present in A. So this much is these are the elements of R. Now here what is the domain? First elements are considered as domain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second elements are considered as its range. So 3, 6, 9, 12. And the set itself, the second component A cross A, this is called the codomain of the relation. So codomain of the relation is A. Okay. Now question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N. Okay, so R is a relation on N means what? R is a subset of N cross N. Again, infinite elements are there in a relation, but one of them relation they have defined xy, where y is equal to x plus y, and x is a natural number less than 4 and y is a natural number. Okay, so what they are saying, roster form and domain. Roster form means what? Elements written inside the curly bracket. Elements written inside the curly bracket is called a roster form. And set builder form means what? By observing some common characteristics of the elements of the set, we can describe it in our own method. That method is said to be what? Set builder form. So here we are asked to find out roster form. So roster form means we have to write inside the curly bracket whatever elements are there. So first, when x equals to 1, what are the natural numbers less than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when x equals to 1, 1 plus 5, 6. When x equals to 2, y will be on 2 plus 5, 7. When x equals to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. When x equals to 4, no, we cannot take 4. Why? It is a condition given. We have to take those numbers which are less than 4. Okay. So now here what is the domain? 1, 2, 3, first component. And what is the range? Second component, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now question 3. A is containing set elements 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the roster form actually. B is 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equal to set of ordered pair xy, where difference between x and y is odd. Okay. So again R is a relation from A to B means R is a subset of A cross B. R is a subset of A cross B. So one of that R they have defined. This one, difference between x and y is odd. Okay. So first of all, I'll take the element of A first 1, then 4. 1, 4 can I take? Let us check. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 is odd. Yes. So I can take 1 4. Then 1 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Yes, I can take 1 6. Then 1 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Is minus 8 an odd number? No. So I cannot take 1 9. Because we want what? Difference between x and y should be odd. But 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Minus 8 is not odd. So we cannot take. Then 2 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2 is odd. No. 2 6. No. 2 9. Yes. Then 3 4. Yes. 3 6. Yes. 3 9. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 is not odd. So 3 6. 3 9 we cannot take. Then 5 4. Yes. 5 6. Yes. Okay. 5 9 we cannot take. So these are the elements of R. That only they have asked. Define a relation R. Okay. The given figure shows the set P and Q. This is a figure P to Q. and arrow marking is also there. This is known as a arrow diagram of the which one relation. Okay, 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. Okay, what they are asking, first you have to write in set builder form, second in roster form, and the domain and range. So first I am doing by roster form. Roster form means what? Easy. That curly bracket you have to write inside the curly bracket whatever elements you are getting. So first element is what? 5 comma 3. First order pair 5 comma 3. So I have written inside the curly bracket. Then next element is what? 6 comma 4. 6 is associated with 4. 6 is related with 4. Then 7 is related with 5. So this is what? Roster form. Now in set builder form means I told you have to observe the characteristics. See, 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 2. So all are having same property. So what I am doing, x comma, first element I am keeping x, then second element will be what? 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 2. So I am writing x minus 2. So if x is 5, 5 minus 2 3. When x is 6, 6 minus 2 4. When x is 7, 7 minus 2 5. So this way also you can write where x belongs to where? P here. First which one? Oval. Second oval is this one. Okay. Or you can write in another way, x comma y, where y is equal to what? X minus 2. In place of y I am writing x minus 2. Where again what? X belongs to 5, 6, 7 you can write, or x belongs to P you can write. Okay. And they have asked a domain also. So domain means first element of the order pair 5, 6, 7. And range means what? Second element 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now question number 5. Let A is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and R be the relation on A defined by AB where B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A means B is a multiple of A also I can write. So here from A to A we want to find out. So 1, 1, yes. Is 1 divisible by 1? Yes. Or we can say 1 is a multiple of 1? Yes. 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 1, 3 are 3, 1, 4 are 4, 1, 6 are 6. Then 2, 1 will not come because 1 is not a divisible by 2 or 1 is not coming inside the table of 2. So 2, 2, then 2, 4, 2, 6, then 3, 3, 3, 4 will not come, then 3, 6, okay, then 4, 4 and 6, 6. 4, 6 will also not come. Why? Because 6 is not exactly divisible by 4. Okay, 6 is not coming under the table of 4. So we are getting these elements. Now we want to find out domain. So domain means first element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, what is the range? Second element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so that is also done. So now question number 6. Determine domain and range of the relations are defined by R is equal to x order pair x comma x plus 5 where x is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so domain already they had given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain is also already given. Now we want to find out its range also. So when x equals to 0, we can say think about the range here also. Or first of all, I'll write down the element of R. R is equal to, first when x is 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0, 5. When x is 1, 1 plus 5, 6. When x is 2, 2 plus 5, 7. When x is 3, 8. When x is 4, 9. When x is 5, 10. Okay, so these are the elements of R. And domain already we discussed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range means what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now question number 7. Write the relation R is equal to x comma x cube where x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. See, this is a set builder form. Okay. So now x is a prime number less than 10. What are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So put one by one. When we put here 2, 2 cube, 8. When we put 3, 3 cube, 27. When you put 5, you will get 125. When you put 7, you will get 343. Okay. Now question number 8. Let A is x, y, z, B is 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Okay. So number of relations from A to B to find, first we find out number of A. Number of elements in A, how many? 3. Number of elements in B, 2. Number of elements in A cross B, that will be 3 into 2, 6. Now number of relations from A to will be what? Subsets of A cross B. Subsets of A cross B means what? 2 raised to elements in A cross B. So that is 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 is 64. One more time I am repeating. Number of relations from A to B means number of subsets of A cross B. So number of subsets of A cross B will be how much? 2 raised to 6. So answer is 2 raised to 6. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equal to AB, order pair AB where AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range. Okay. So see, A minus B is an integer. So when you select any two integers, the difference between any two integers will be same integer only. So here domain will be what? Z and codomain will be what? Z. And even range is also Z because every integer minus another integer will be integer. So here domain is also Z, range is also Z, and even codomain also we can say it is a set.